Everyone, and welcome back. If you aren't new, welcome. If you are new, my name is Bubs B, and today we got a deep conditioner video. Deep conditioners, who doesn't love a good deep conditioner? Eh. I have the most deep conditioners in my collection, and I run out of them the fastest. That's how much I love a good DC hair treatment. All right, shout out to the sponsor, Mish Beauty. Love and adore the brand. I've been using their products for years now. You've seen my recent favorite video. If you've seen any of my wash day videos, I usually always have a Mish product in there some way, somehow. Okay, I got to have my Mish, and they're gonna have an amazing Black Friday sale starting this Thursday on the 25th. So I'm showing you guys 4 deep conditioners from them, limited edition deep conditioners. So you better hurry up. Their products are going to sell out very fast. So put it on your list. Maybe set a reminder so you can make sure you get you some Mish products. So we're gonna get started. My hair's already been freshly cleansed. So I have 4 deep conditioners to try and test out for you guys. I have here the Peaches and Cream limited edition deep conditioner. We also have here the Warm Sugar Cookie holiday deep conditioner. Okay, I've tried these 2 already. Also, we have the Peppermint Candy Cane holiday deep conditioner. I've also tried this one too, okay, before, but this is a new one for me. This is the Sweet Pumpkin Spice deep conditioner. Okay, so now since I have my hair in these 4 struggle sections, it's now time to add the product. So I think the first one we're going to go in with is the Peaches and Cream limited edition deep conditioner, and I'm going to apply this on the back right quadrant, your left. Now as soon as you open it up, you smell just the juiciness and creamy richness and just peaches galore. It smells like fresh peaches, like peach pie. It's giving me peach rings. Okay, love those, delicious. Yep, it's giving me peach candy. It smells amazing. It is thick, but you can tell that it's going to move and spread across the strands really well. So their Peaches and Cream deep conditioning mask is actually made with peach kernel oil and also coconut cream, which those ingredients have extreme moisturizing properties and strengthening properties as well. So this deep conditioner will restore your dry hair and scalp and leave your hair feeling healthy, shiny, and so moisturized. Question, do you guys like applying your deep conditioners on more soaking wet hair or damp to dry? I think deep conditioners apply better for me. Like, application feels a lot better when my hair is soaking wet, but I definitely like when my hair is kind of damp to dry because it definitely allows this deep conditioner to sit and penetrate a lot more. I'll definitely give you guys my final thoughts once we've rinsed out each deep conditioner. Okay, so next deep conditioner we're going to try out is the Warm Sugar Cookie limited edition deep conditioner. It literally smells like a ginger sugar cookie. It smells super sweet. The texture is very, very creamy and rich. Okay, see this, the Warm Sugar Cookies is giving me Christmas Day, holidays. All right, this also has amazing slip. I can feel it, the way it's just gliding across my strands. So this mask is actually made with creamy cocoa butter, which is very healing and softening to your hair strands. Okay, your hair is going to feel healthy, it's going to be very shiny, and it's going to be moisturized. So this product also contains agave nectar. It has glycerin, which is super moisturizing and hydrating, and it's going to definitely draw moisture into your hair. It also contains some delicious oils such as olive oil, macadamia nut oil, and that sweet scent is enhanced with that vanilla extract. So let's move on to the Peppermint Candy Cane limited edition deep conditioner. Peppermint, I don't know how they achieve the scents in these deep conditioners or even any of their wash day products or styling products. I don't know how they get the scent right, but they got it right. I love peppermint tea. It's one of my favorite teas to drink, and it just smells just like that. Okay, definitely holidays, great, perfect Christmas Day, amazing. So because this has peppermint in it, it's definitely going to give a cooling sensation. It also contains tea tree oil, which is great at healing the scalp, reviving the scalp, and, you know, stimulate that hair growth, okay? The texture of this is very creamy. It's very rich. It's not as thick as the last two. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is defining my strands too. So I do remember using this peppermint candy cane deep conditioner, and I remember it being more strengthening because it does have that baobab oil. So you always need a great strengthening treatment in your arsenal. Wow, I can feel that tingling sensation on my scalp. I can feel it. My curls, they're plumping up. Okay, they're shrinking, which that's what I like to see if I use a product with a lot of strengthening ingredients in it. Last but not least is the Sweet Pumpkin Deep Conditioner. Okay, this is a new one for me. Like I said, I have not used this one yet. Oh, Sweet Pumpkin. It's giving me like pumpkin spice lattes. Okay, that's what I'm feeling out of this. This is what I'm getting, okay? Or a nice fresh baked pumpkin pie. The texture is thick. This actually feels the thickest out of the four to me. This one is going to definitely be more strengthening with the Ayurvedic ingredients. Okay, it has organic pumpkin seed oil. It also has fenugreek, brahmi, alma, and a ton of Ayurvedic ingredients that's going to strengthen and promote healthy hair growth. It also has avocado oil, mango butter. I love mango butter because it's super rich and moisturizing. And you're also going to get some more strengthening properties from the quinoa protein. So I guess while we're zoomed in, I'm going to take a section out of each quadrant, and we're going to test out the slippage on these deep conditioners. So on this side, I have the peaches and cream deep conditioner. So I did lightly finger detangle when I was applying the deep conditioner, and now I'm just going in with my detangling tool. All right. Okay. Like I said, the slip is there. The slip is there. On this side, I had the warm sugar cookie deep conditioner. It has slip. Man, the slip. Okay. And this section is done. No time. And this is a big section, guys. So this one had the peppermint candy cane deep conditioner. But this also has great slip. Now this is the sweet pumpkin spice side. Hey, all right. I found that in the back, using the peaches and cream and the warm sugar cookie deep conditioner, that detangling was a lot quicker. Even though in the front, it was easier to detangle these two sections with the sweet pumpkin spice and the peppermint candy cane. I think from the strengthening properties in these two deep conditioners, my hair feels a lot stronger. So with that, your hair is just gonna give you some resistance. A little bit, it's gonna be a little bit more resilient. So I do appreciate that because that's what I expect out of products that have more strengthening ingredients, but the slip is still there, okay? And looking at the ingredients list in all four of these deep conditioners, slippery elm is very high up in the ingredients list. So that's why these have a ton of slip. Slippery elm is amazing when it comes to slippage. So I'm back and I rinsed out each deep conditioner, and I must say, hair feels very, very soft. Like overall, all four of them bring the softness, okay? It brings the moisture and the hydration because my hair feels very, very soft. If I had to rank the softness on 1 to 4, I would say the peaches and cream has the most softness. Then it would be the warm sugar cookie. Then it would be the peppermint, and then the sweet pumpkin. Like I said, all of them are super moisturizing, but because the peppermint and the sweet pumpkin has more strengthening properties, my hair feels more strengthened in the front. Overall, I am in love. My hair feels amazing. It feels so good. So I highly recommend you guys going and check out these deep conditioners from Miche Beauty. So like I said in the beginning, they are having a Black Friday sale starting November 25th on Thursday. So head over there, copy some of these deep conditioners, and check out the rest of the line from Miche Beauty. Once again, I want to shout out Miche Beauty for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.